Creating vertical text in CorelDRAW. In this tutorial, we take a look at how to fit text to a path. Typically, the most common question I get asked is how to fit text to a circle. We will take a look in this tutorial on how to fit text to a circle, and later on we will take a look at how to fit text to an irregular shaped line. First thing we want to do is select the text tool, which is the A icon located in the toolbox. Click on your desktop and let's just type some text. Next, select your select tool, select your ellipse tool, and let's draw a circle. Remember, if we hold the control key down, we can get our concentric circle. Now, we'll select both the text together. We'll go up to text and fit text to path. Our text, you can see, is at the top of the circle. We can move the text around by selecting the GIF node located at the beginning of the text. And as we move it around the circle, you'll notice that the text will move around the circle. When the red line is shown, that means we're actually at a 90-degree location. So we could be at 180 as we are here, .270 here, or if we go back up to the top, that's 0. Again, as we drag down, we can actually fit the text farther away or on the inside of the circle. This is all dynamic. Again, I'm at the bottom of the circle. Now let's say I want to flip this text so that we can actually have it come up. So we want to select mirror text horizontally, and then we want to select mirror text vertically. Notice how the text now is on the inside of the circle. Now all we have to do is drop our text down. The problem is if I drop the text down with a toolbar, it actually has a bug in it and it actually goes to the right. So the only way we can drop the text to the bottom of the circle is to drag down. My text now is at the bottom of the circle. Now if I want to place text at the top of the circle, I select the A tool. Now, if you want, you can just click right on the circle and start typing. So instead of typing the text, selecting the circle and go fit text to path, you can actually type directly right on the circle. Select our pick tool. Notice we've got our GIF node here, that's the red little triangle, and we can move the text till it's at the top of the circle. Now I have text at the top of the circle and the bottom of the circle. Now, if you want to select just a circle to get rid of it, we can just select a circle by pressing the tab button until we actually select the circle. I never get rid of the circle. All I do is just delete the color that's in the circle. This way the laser cannot see the circle, but the circle is still there. Because if the circle is gone, I can't actually move my text anymore. So the nice thing about having the circle there is if I want to change the text position, I can just select the text and move it. If you want to create an actual irregular shaped line, we can just do that by generating a line. And I've drawn just a freehand line here. Select the text tool, and you can actually type directly right on the line itself. And just start typing. And as you can see, the text will follow the line as I type. Again, notice I have my little GIF node here, and I can adjust the text so that it moves along the line. I can do it below or above. Same way I've done with the actual circle that I generated earlier. I can select the line that I drew and I can right click on the X or delete the outline. A couple more options that we have when we're working with the text. Our text is now on the path of the arc. If I select my shape tool, I can now select the text. I can change the inner character spacing by just grabbing the slider here. Remember, if I hold the Shift key down, I can actually change the spacing between the words. If I zoom in on a certain area, again, I can select a node for that letter, and I can slide that letter along the line. So if I want to do the kerning on one character, I can do that. I can also use the property bar and adjust the side spacing. I can adjust the up and down, and we can also do the rotation angle. These are all standard text functions that we can do with normal text. Superscript, subscript, small capitals, all caps, whichever way you want to do it. When you only have one letter activated, then our changes will happen only with that letter. I can select two nodes, and now you notice I can move two letters.